Each diopter has a specific range of working distances. There are two different ways to try to identify the right working distance with the LSV and the diopter number. One way is to zoom in, focus, and if you can't get in focus, it's time to switch to a different diopter number, to simply try different diopter numbers until it works. The second way is to mouse over the diopter numbers on the LSV2 software, Leeds Vision, which will give you an approximate range of working distances for each diopter number. And then you can use that knowledge to roughly place the head within those working distances. Find what diopter number to use. Well, the good news is it's relatively simple. If you ever find yourself working with a sample and you just simply cannot get it into focus after zooming in all the way and then focusing, what that means is it's time to adjust to a different diopter number. So in this case, I'm at this height range. Let's just go ahead and let's try the plus 3.5 diopter, see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead, choose the plus 3.5, and now I'm going to try to focus while zoomed in. It's close, but not perfect. So I was at the plus 1, I went to the 3.5, let's try the plus 2. And again, while zoomed in, let's try to focus. And what you'll find is that I'm more or less now in focus. So when I zoom out, the image is going to stay in focus. Something to be aware of in case you run into it, but there are some regions of ambiguity where you're at one diopter number and you're in focus, you go up to another diopter number and you can get it into focus, but there's a zone right in between those two diopter numbers where you can't achieve focus. If you find yourself, after you've changed the diopters and you can't bring your image into focus, if you find yourself in that situation, what that means is you need to simply raise the head slightly or lower the head slightly, which will bring it back into a region that you can adjust with the correct diopter. Thanks for watching. I'm Jake Kurth with Leeds.